kang ganon?
Oo, video to ginagawa ko eh. Kasi nang alanganin namin punta dito, yung ulan na eh. Gusto niya yata baby video, di putol-putol na video. Ilagay sa YouTube.
Ito ang aking lupain. Nakita nyo? Ganda, no?
You see the motorcycle, no? And then,
Lupain ng mga halaman.
and right now we go home now because the rain
The rain is falling down.
is falling down na.
Falling down, falling down.
You see the gate?
Yes. The color is black.
Ano ka, bumagsak yan yung gate na yan. Yun, binagsakan niya yung puno, dinaganan niya yan.
Saan?
Yan, puno na yan.
Ito?
Oo.
Kailan?
You see the tree falling down? Falling down. And the tree there. The tree there.
Yung papasukin na, mapapasok siya. Ano lang sila dito?
What's that? The karatula there. Madilim eh.
No trespassing.
I cannot read. Where?
No trespass.
You can read? I don't
Oh, first. Of course. Nakalaki. Very good. May ilog na pala rito.
Can you see the river?
Yeah, it's very, very dirty, you know?
And
Inanggit nun, dun. Anong tawag dito? Yung, ano ba yung tawag dyan? Hanging bridge!
tulay.
Bisagin na.
Paano yung grass cutter?
Ay, yung grass cutter, Dares! Hear that? That's a cow.
Bahan na nadadaan.
Oh, let's go.
Ang dali at magbabalo doon.
Ilang minutes, 2 minutes.
2 minutes pa.
Putol-putol, syempre, hindi mo ilalagay sa YouTube yan ng ano.
Ang dali ng pera eh. Babalo.